What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Honest Tech. Today we are diving into a device that's basically a power bank disguised as a flagship. Realme just dropped the all-new Realme P4 Power in India, and the specs are absolutely wild. Let's get into it. First things first, the headline feature. This phone packs a massive 10,001 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right. But it's not just about staying alive, it's about helping others too. With 27W reverse charging, you can actually use this phone to charge up your friends' devices. And when you need to juice up the P4 Power itself, it supports 80W fast charging to get you back in the game quickly. Moving to the front, we've got a stunning 6.8-inch curved AMOLED display. It's super smooth with a 144Hz refresh rate, making it perfect for gamers and scroll addicts alike. Under the hood, it's rocking the Dimensity 7400 Ultra chipset, so performance should be top tier. Plus, for those of you who are a bit clumsy or love the outdoors, this thing is built like a tank. It comes with IP66, IP68, and even IP69 water and dust resistance. On the camera front, we're looking at 50MP main lens featuring the Sony IMX882 sensor with OIS for stable, crisp shots, 8MP ultra-wide for those epic landscape views, 16MP selfie cam for your social media needs. Software-wise, it's ahead of the curve, running Realme UI 7.0 based on Android 16 straight out of the box. Realme is also promising 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches, keeping you covered for the long haul. So what's the damage? The Realme P4 Power starts at mAh 32,999 for the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. It comes in 3 sleek colors: orange, purple, and silver. Mark your calendars because sales officially kick off on February 5th. What do you guys think? Is a 10,000 mAh overkill, or exactly what you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Honest Tech for more latest tech updates. I'll catch you in the next one.